Welcome to Anti-Theft Laptop Backpack, with Laptop USB Port Charger Port, Review. New Fashionable, Anti-Theft Laptop Backpack. Product details. Material, polyester. Color, light gray, black. Weight, 750 gram, approximate. Length 32 centimeters. Height 44 centimeters. Width 14 centimeters. Pattern, geometric. Closure, zipper. Inner pocket, main pocket, inner zipper pockets, inner slot pockets, tablet pocket, laptop compartment. More details, check the video description link. Why should you buy this product? Because external USB port with built-in charging cable offers a convenient charging for your electronic devices. With large capacity and thief-proof design, this backpack can load your necessities easily and securely. Weight balance. The backpack is designed to relieve the weight pushing down on your shoulder when wearing a backpack. Your best choice while you are going to a business trip, weekend trip, school, hiking, cycling, work, etc. On-time delivery. Buyer protected. Customer review. So, why wait? Check the video description link. Check more video in our channel.